Are you having problems with localized RTF document orchestration not locating the Rtfpipe Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before we begin the manual steps for Rtfpipe Library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Rtfpipe Library, a specialized library used to manage the piping or conversion of rich text format, RTF, data between different document processing modules. It is frequently found in localized Office suites and legacy email clients. If missing, the application will fail to render formatted text or will display null pointer errors when opening RTF documents or email templates. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. A missing Rtfpipe Library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the localized RTF document orchestration integration. So reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Rtfpipe library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Rtfpipe Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Rtfpipe Library and system efficiency. To keep Rtfpipe Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.